Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. It is the final time to get this Raptor assembled. I don't know if you've seen our other videos where we got this thing in, destroyed in the front end. We got some work in the back that we did, but hopefully all the parts are here and it's time to assemble, right Ivan?
Except the bumper. I forgot to paint the bumper and the
Minor
fenders.
detail,
but they're actually a different color, so that's fine.
That's good. Yeah, so either way I have to paint it separately, so that was part of the plan.
But we got enough stuff to start putting this thing together, so while I paint the bumper, we'll start putting together, you know, the front end, the intakes, the radiators, all that stuff. Make sure we're not missing anything. We can put the fenders on, the hood, maybe go for a test drive.
Without all the body parts?
Yeah, no, with the body parts, without the bumper.
Yeah, that shouldn't be too bad, right? We got the hood and stuff, so the main components are there, guys. So hopefully this will come together and it'll be in the road in no time. That's the idea. But hey guys, make sure you check out our website, NicoBrothers.com, to get yourself some sweaters. I know it's getting a little colder out there, hats, whatever kind of thing. We appreciate all the support. Makes it possible for us to keep making videos and keep posting, I guess. But let's get inside. It's kind of chilly. All right, back inside, one piece. Jump box is fine. Nice. So the front bumper is black with silver?
Oh, well, we're gonna paint that gray, and then the fender liners are the same color. So we're gonna paint the fender liners, or the fender flares, same color as this guy. And yeah, so I got the sensors, make sure we've got the wire harnesses.
Do we have any more stickers?
Yes.
Nice.
Stickers.
Decals.
I decided on stickers.
They're never easy. For some reason, yeah, it's always like little bubbles and stuff. You gotta watch out. But we'll get it.
All right, guys, so the truck is inside. Here are all the parts we got. So we got the intake, lower brackets, we got the intercooler, we have the intercooler fan, we got a lot of plastics, radiator condensers, everything to start putting together. So pretty much we're replacing this one little tube because of this little broken thing, which is kind of crazy. This is for the Raptor special, $300, cheapest one I found, which is kind of crazy. But let's go ahead and start piecing this thing together and see what else we're missing. But hopefully we got everything. All right, so there we go. We got the last couple pieces we got to paint for the Raptor. We got this gray metallic, and it's got to be flat black. So we're gonna paint the front bumper. We also have to paint the sensors. So little sensor covers, and then all this has to come together. I sanded them down, so not too much paint's gonna be on there. And we got the fender flares. I had a couple little scratches. This one's actually not too bad, but we're gonna match it because we're gonna paint the whole side. Or since we paint the whole side, let it match. And we got one flare that we're not painting, and we're gonna hope it's gonna match. So I already wiped everything down, tack cloth. Let's go ahead and start putting down our base. A couple coats of this, and then flat clear, which is lots of fun to put on.
Okay, got basically the hardware installed, looking much better. Now I gotta work on the wire harness to get that going, plug everything in, and get the taillight in, and get this bed back together. Okay, this is in, I'll get it plugged in. This is the anti-theft lock bolt right here. Perfect. Definitely want to hook up the wires and make sure it's working before we close it and it locks. Alright guys, we got our tail light on and our little side marker is on as well. Got this thing plugged in. Let's see. Beautiful. The light was on. Let's see, it's got the soft open. Maybe we gotta open the door again. Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Very nice. Oh, look at that, guys. Beautiful. Opens and closes by itself. Nice. Our lights are working. Everything seems to be lining up nicely. Beautiful. Still missing this trim piece. I've been supposed to get it from the dealer. We'll see when it comes in. All right, guys, just like that, came back from our first test drive on the Raptor, and she did great. Beautiful ride for sure. Oh, definitely windy out here, guys. Let's go inside. We can talk about all the details, how much it cost us, how much we have inside of it, how much it ended up being. All right, guys, let's go ahead and talk about what it really cost us to rebuild this 2023 Ford Raptor. From the auction, it cost us around $31,000 just to get it back to the yard from the insurance auction. After that, $950 for shipping and almost $7,500 of parts alone. Raptors are definitely expensive to rebuild because of the aluminum body panels, fiberglass, Raptor specific front grills, radiators, shutters. All those parts are definitely not just the regular Ford F-150, but made specifically for the Raptor, making it more expensive, harder to find, unique, and a little harder availability as well. So all in, without labor, is right there around $39,000, so a little less than $40,000 it costs us just to rebuild this thing and get it back on the road for our buddy. So honestly, I think he got a steal deal because these clean title retail for around $72,000 to $85,000 with low miles, this one's pretty good too. 34,000 miles ain't bad at all. So honestly, still half the price of what they go for clean title. And this one wasn't rollover, water flood, but it had a little bit of front end damage, a little bit of side, as you've seen in the video that we got replaced. So nothing too crazy, not crazy frame damage, nothing like that. So nothing to worry about going on forward. A lot of people think that salvage Raptor is going to be cheap. You know, you could pick it up for about 20 grand, which is not true. Honestly, getting it from the insurance auction is still expensive because you're bidding against everybody across the country and even internationally. And then also the parts themselves are not cheap. So we tried our best to find the best deals available kind of thing and still added up quickly. Salvage title Raptors in our area are still going from $55,000 to $65,000. So being $40,000, I think it's a great deal. But that's why it's so important to inspect and check out the vehicles before you buy them, because every single little piece adds up really quickly. And before you know it, that bill adds up very fast, especially the bed parts, body panels, radiators, AC condensers, all those things are definitely expensive. And like I said, the bill just adds up really quickly. But there you go, guys. Make sure you check out NicoBrothers.com. Get yourself some cool merch. We got some new beanies out there as well. I hope you liked our little adventure that we had with this Ford Raptor, getting it back on the road. Honestly, super happy about it. I know our buddy's gonna love it, kind of thing. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, leave some comments down below, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.